In 2026, AI has finally solved one thing I used to be terrible at: typography. Today, I'm taking you through a deep dive review and tutorial of IDEOGRAM. We aren't just going to generate random images. I'm going to show you on how you can use IDEOGRAM's specialized design engine to build a complete professional logo or brand identity from scratch. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a designer looking to speed up your workflow, this is the only guide you need. By the end of this video, you'll see how we go from a black screen or a blank screen to a high-resolution, print-ready brand package. As you can see on my screen, here's a preview of IDEOGRAM's login page. So you can either log in with your Google account, your Apple account, or even Microsoft account. So for us, we're just gonna go to a Google account and continue with the Google. So here's how IDEOGRAM's interface looks like. We have my creations, we have canvas, batch, characters, and notification panel. Yeah, that's how it looks, and here's where you describe what you want to generate. So before we start prompting, let's look at the landscape. You need to know: IDEOGRAM, for testing purposes, it gives you about 10 to 20 credits a day, but keep in mind that your work is public. If you are doing professional client work, you'll want the Pro or Plus plans. Let's see how it looks like. Here they are. This is the one we are currently using, the current plan, which is currently $0 for free. Yeah, it's actually free. The basic plan per month is equals to $7. The plus, this is the most popular, which is $15 per month, billed annually. You get private generations, upload images to edit and remix, 1,000 priority credits per month, unlimited slow credits, unlimited character consistency, quality exports, large generation queue, up to 150 priority credits for $4. The Pro is equals to $42 per month, billed annually, which you get best cost per credit, private generation, upload images to edit and remix, 3,500 priority credits per month, unlimited slow credits, unlimited character consistency, batch generation, quality export, the largest generation queue, top up 250 priority credit for $4. So this is basically the IDEOGRAM subscription plans. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Yeah. This gives you private generations and, more importantly, the style, reference, and remix features, which are essential for logo iteration. Most importantly, IDEOGRAM's terms and services remain creator-friendly, meaning you own the rights to use these designs for your commercial projects. You've heard that I've said that when you use the free plan, the logos or the things that you'll be generating will be public. As you can see, these are the things that some of the people worldwide had generated using the free plans, but because they had not used the Pro or Plus plan, they came public, so anyone can see anything that you generated before. So this is how everything looks like. This is how the interface looks like. Yeah. The biggest mistake people make with AI logos is being too vulgar. In IDEOGRAM, your prompt needs to follow a specific hierarchy: subject, style, typography, and color. In 2026, the design style preset is the best friend. It tells the AI to prioritize flat graphics and clean lines over photography textures. Yeah. We also need to talk about the magic prompt feature. Let's first look at where it is. Here is the magic prompt feature. It is an incredibly powerful tool that makes your basic idea and expands into a technical prompt that the engine understands better. However, professional logos, I recommend using Magic Prompt at a lower setting so you do not lose control over your specific vision. We also look at how to use negative prompts to ensure we don't get any 3D bevels or unwanted gradients. Let's put these into practice with 3 different industry styles. Let's first describe what we want to be generated or what we want to see. So head on to ChatGPT and come up with a prompt. So for me, I've written, give me a prompt for professional logo design for a company which sells motor vehicles. So here's our prompt. So we're gonna copy our prompt by pressing here or either Control C, go here and then press on our keyboard Control V, or you can just copy it directly. So we're gonna select our size the way we want. So for us, we're gonna go 1 times 1. It's gonna go public. Then let's click generate. For now, because you're using the free one, it will be slow in generating. Watch how the engine keeps the text perfectly aligned along the curves, which used to be a nightmare for AI. What happens if you love a logo, but the icon is slightly off? This is where the remix feature comes in. In 2026, the region section tool allows us to highlight just the icon and ask the AI to swap it while keeping the text and style exactly the same. This is how to create a brand consistency style logo using IDEOGRAM. You can also use the style reference tool. By uploading your primary logo, you can generate matching business card layouts, social media icons, and even letterheads that all share the exact same aesthetic DNA. This takes you from having a cool image to having a professional brand system. IDEOGRAM has fundamentally changed how we approached graphic design. It does not replace the designer's eye, but it removes the technical barrier of entry for creating beautiful typography and clean icons. We have gone through the pricing, the prompting strategy, the 3 major styles, and the final technical cleanup. If you follow this workflow, you can produce brand identities that are indistinguishable from high-end agency work. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI design tutorials and let me know in the comments which brand styles are you going to build first. Thank you.